Hi everyone, I am Praveen Kumar. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain about some of the questions which will come in the ungrouped data of statistics, where we have to find out the values of x, y, z and so on when they given mean, median and mode. Here the first question is, if the mean of the 5 observations x comma x plus 2 comma x plus 4 comma x plus 6 and x plus 8 is 11, then find the value of x they are asking. Here they given the observations and also they given the mean here, and we have to find out the value of x. How to do this problem? Let us see now. Here solution, given observations are x comma x plus 2 comma x plus 4 comma x plus 6 and x plus 8. These are the observations they given: x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6 and x plus 8. And also they given mean, and we know that mean is always represented by x bar, and here mean x bar is equal to how much they given? Mean they given as x bar. If you not watched my previous videos, I did the previous videos on how to find out the mean, median, mode and range when the number of observations is even and number of observations is odd. If you not watched that videos, watch that videos. The videos link is given in the description. Now here mean x bar is equal to 11 they given. And what is the formula of the mean here? Sum of observations by number of observations is the formula for mean. And here they given that sum of observations by number of observations is called as mean, is equal to how much they given? 11 they given. What is the sum of observations? You have to add all these observations. And what are the observations we are having here? X plus second observation is x plus 2 plus third observation is x plus 4 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 8. How many observations are there totally? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 observations I am writing in the denominator is equal to 11 we will get. Now we get x plus x is 2x, 2x plus x is 3x, 3x plus x is 4x, 4x plus x is 5x, plus 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 8 is 20. And after adding the numerator, we got 5x plus 20. What is the denominator we are having here? 5 we are having here. That is equal to 11. Now you bring this denominator to the right side. Why you are transposing the denominator to the RHS side? It will become multiplication. So what we will get here? 5x plus 20 is equal to 11 into 5 we will get. Here 5x plus 20 is equal to 11 into 5 is 55. When this plus 20 transposes here, it will become minus 20. So 5x is equal to 55 minus 20 we got here. Here 5x is equal to 55 minus 20. 55 minus 20 is 35. and here 5 into x is there. You transpose this 5 to here. What it will become? It will become x is equal to 35 by 5. And these both will cancel in 5 table. 5 ones are 5 sevens are. So at last you got x is equal to 7. X value we got it as 7. Here what they are asking? Find the value of x. They asked. We got the value of x is 7. In this way, we will find out the missing observations in the ungrouped data. Now let us go for next question. And the question is, if the median of the observations 11, 12, y plus 2 plus 4, 30, 32 arranged in ascending order is 20, and they are asking to find the value of y. Here, how to solve this problem? Let us see here. And in the solution, given observations are 11, 12, y plus 2, y plus 4, 30, 32. And they said that these observations are in ascending order. Here they said the given question itself is in a ascending order. So no need to change this one again into ascending order. And they said median of the data total is 20, they said. And here, while you are finding the median will depend upon the number of observations. Here, number of observations we will represent with small n is equal to how many number of observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number of observations are there. Is even, and here 6 is even. When we are having even number of observations, we will get 2 medians, and the medians are n by 2 comma n plus 2 by 2th terms we will have. And here n, what is the n we got here? 6. 6 by 2 comma 6 plus 2 by 2. And here 6 by 2 is 6 by 2 only. 6 plus 2 is 8 by 2. After cancelling here, 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 2 1s are, 2 4s are. Therefore, third and fourth terms or the medians of the given observations. Here, what is the median here? Third and fourth terms or the medians of the observations. Here, you have to see the third and fourth term in the ascending order. What is the third term? First, second, third term. Therefore, median is equal to y plus 2 comma fourth term. 1, 2, 3, fourth term is y plus 4. And we got here median is equal to y plus 2, y plus 4. We got 2 medians here, and we know that we will not have 2 medians always. We know that we will not have 2 medians, we will have only 1 median. Even we got 2 medians, we do the average to make the 2 medians into 1 median. How to do the average? Let us see here. If you are having 2 medians, we will do the average by sum of observations by number of observations. What we will have? Median is equal to sum of observations. What is the sum of observations? Y plus 2 plus y plus 4 is sum of observations. Y plus 2 plus y plus 4 by number of observations. This is one observation, this is one observation. 1, 2 observations we got here. So median is equal to, what we will get here, y plus y is 2y plus 2 plus 4 is 6 by 2. Already we know the median. What is the median given in the question? They given median is equal to 20. So let us keep the 20 in the place of median. So we will get here 2y plus 6 by 2. And this 2 is transposed to here. While you are doing the transpose, it will get multiplied with 20. 20 twos are, we will get 40 is equal to 2y plus 6. And this plus 6, you transpose to this side, we will get 40 minus 6 is equal to 2y, we will get. And 40 minus 6 is 34 is equal to 2y. When this 2 is transposing to this side, what it will become? It will become division. So we will get y is equal to 34 divided by 2 we will get. And here 2 ones are 2, and it one get borrowed here. 1 4 is 14, 2 sevens are 14 we will get. So y is equal to 17 we got. In this way we will find out the missing observation in the ungrouped data. Let us see one more question on median when odd number of observations are given. Here the question is, if the median of the observations 2, 4, 6, x, 8, 9, 10 arranged in ascending order is 7. Means the given observations are in ascending order only. So we no need to convert again into ascending order. Here find the value of x, they are saying. Solution, given observations are 2, 4, 6, x, 8, 9, 10 and also they given median is equal to 7 they given. Now how to find out the value of x will depend upon the number of observations. Here number of observations n is equal to, how many number of observations are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 number of observations is odd. Here we are having 7 is odd number of observations is there. Whenever you are having odd number of observations, we will have only one median, and the median formula is n plus 1 by 2th term. Here n value is 7. 7 plus 1 by 2. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 by 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are. So we will get fourth term is the median of the observation. Here median of the observation is what? Fourth term. Therefore median is equal to, what is the fourth term in the ascending order? We should see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth term is x. X is the fourth term in the median. Here we already know the median value. What is the median we are having here? 7. Therefore 7 is equal to x. So we got x value is equal to 7. Whenever we are having odd number of observations, we will get only one median. Whenever we are having even number of observations, we will get two medians, and that two medians again we will do the average to make it as single median. Let us go for one more question, and the question is, the unimodal data mode of 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 1, P is P find P, they are saying. And here a word you are having here, unimodal. And here unimodal means we will have only one mode. Whenever having one mode, we will call it as unimodal. For these observations, we are having only one mode. You may have 2 and 3 modes also for some problems. Here in this problem we are having only one mode. So they are saying unimodal. What is the given observations here? Given observations are 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 1, P is P. Here the mode of these all observations is P only. Here whatever the value we will get in the place of P, that only we will get as a mode. Here what to substitute in the place of P, we have to think here. They are saying unimode means only we will have single mode. Here if you are keeping 1 here, if you are keeping in the place of P1, what it will be? What is the most repeating number here? 1 is repeated 2 times, 2 is repeated 2 times, 3 is repeated 3 times. So we will get the mode is 3. If you are keeping 1, you will get mode is 3. So here whatever we are keeping, we should get that one only. So this is wrong. In the place of P I am keeping 1, I am getting the mode 3. So this is wrong. Let me keep here 2. If you are keeping 2, what you will get? 2 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. 3 times you will get 2. 1, 2, 3. 3 times we are having 3. So we will get 2, 3 as modes. Means we are having here 2 modes. So if you are keeping 2 in the place of P, we will get 2 modes, 2, 3. But in the question they said only unimodal, one mode will be there. So what to keep in the place of P here? If I will keep 3, what is the mode I will get here? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 4 times is repeating 3. If I am keeping 3 in the place of P, I will get again the mode as 3. Means here these both are equal. In the question also they said, if you are keeping in the place of P, whatever you are keeping, you will get the same mode P. Means what is the P value here? Here P should be 3. Why? Because mode is most repeating value. If you are keeping 3 in the place of P, then the mode of 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3 is 3. So we can say that the value of P is equal to 3 to get the unimodal. If we are having a question like this, if mean of the data is 3, median is 2, then find mode. Here they given mean and median. We have to find out the mode. At that time we are having a relation between mean, median and mode. If we use that relation, we can find out mode very easily. And the relation is relationship between mean, median and mode is mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. This is the relation we have to use whenever we know mean, median, mode. In these 3, if you know any 2, you can find out the third one. If they given median and mean, you can find out mode. If they given mode and median, you can find out mean. If they given mean and mode, you can find out median. In this way, in this mean, median, mode, if you know any 2 things, you can find out the third one. Here, mode they are asking to find out. we have to find out the mode is equal to 3 into median. What is the median they given? Median is equal to 2 minus 2 into mean is 3. We got 3. And mode is equal to what you will get here? Mode is equal to 3 into 2 is 6 minus 2 into 3 is 6. Therefore, mode is equal to 0. What is the mode we will have? 0. Whenever you are having median 2, mean 3, we will have mode 0. Now let us go for one more question to understand very clearly. In this question, they are saying if mean of the data is 3, mode is 9, then find median. Here we are having mean, median, mode. Whenever we are having mean, median, mode, in this 3, if you know 2 things, to find out the third one, we will use a formula relation between mean, median and mode. And what is the relation you know here? Given mean is equal to 3, mode is equal to 9. Here relationship between mean, median, mode. Relationship between mean, median and mode is, what is the relation here? Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. We are having relation. And in this formula, if you are keeping these values, we can find out the other one. What is the mode we are having here? 9. 9 is equal to 3 median. We don't know the median. Keep the median like that only. 3 median minus 2 into mean. What is the mean we are having here? 3. What you will get here? 9 is equal to 3 median minus 2 into 3 is 6. And this 6 you have to transpose to the LHS side. When minus 6 is transposed to the left side, what it will become? It will become plus 6. Here 9 plus 6 is equal to 3 median we will get. Here what is 9 plus 6? We will get 15 is equal to 3 median. And here 3 into median we are having. This into you send here so that it will become 15 by 3 is equal to median. 3 ones are 3 5s are. Therefore what you got here? Median is equal to 5. The median of the data is 5. In this way, whenever we are having in mean, median and mode, in this 3, if you know 2 things, we can find out the other thing by using relationship between mean, median and mode.
If you like this video, share, like, subscribe to my channel.